you write Matt. M A T, and then another T. Very good. Can you write here mom? M O M. Very good, Ryan. Okay. And then next is dad. Say D. You're right over here. D. Okay, very good. Then A. And then D. Another D. Very good. Now you spelled Matt's name. Matt, mom, and dad. Very good, Ryan. And this is baby crying.